for certain types of consulting, if you haven't tried advisory and executive coaching, I encourage you to think about it, because as management consultants, you're going to keep delivering services. You're going to roll up your sleeves. You're going to go into organizations and start delivering services, work with different types of teams, types of leadership, managers, etc., and deliver some kind of result or an outcome, right? But every now and then, you will also realize that leaders of business units or leaders of organizations or departments, large departments, if you're dealing with large companies, may need executive coaching. They may need coaching as well, because a lot of these folks may be new in their roles, right? And times change, business practices change. There are new ways of doing things, new things that emerge in your industry, and new perspectives needed, right? So just offering an executive coaching service for the leader, for your core buyer, or even the sponsor of your project or an engagement, can help, because what that's going to do is that's going to give you some deep insights as to what that organization needs, because you'll be interacting with that buyer or that individual. You will also be building trust with that individual, affinity and trust with that individual, and just cementing your brand in the organization.